ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, I'm Cecelia021. This has been a while since I've done the HelloFresh recipes to be prepared on my videos. Today's recipe is the ginger soy pork and bell pepper udon with sweet chili sauce, spicy mayo, and peanuts. Now it takes 25 minutes to make this recipe. I'm surprised that it went up to 770 calories with let's see how many. 45 grams of fat. So to cut it down a little bit, because I am trying to get to at least 30 to 40 grams of fat per day. I'm gonna try to cut it down in half, and perhaps either add another protein that's about 90 calories, or I could added more vegetables to it, maybe broccoli and stir-fried vegetables. I'll see what I can do. In the meantime, I'll put in a video, music in the background, and I'll also put in the video link and the details about the songs, to giving credits to the original creators and the artists, as usual, is to avoid copyright violations. So, in the meantime, hang on tight and please do enjoy.
This is a Shark Tank. Here we go again. This was 2004 phenomenal hit.
In the water make their jaws lock. When I swim through the grim, I'm too hot. Y'all can make your best, y'all small tuna fish, I'm one big catch. Bow down clear, cause this right here will be the worst nightmare. Work that, pop back, hurt that. Turn this up and make it all up on your surface. 9 to 5, I gotta keep that fat stack coming. No matter how big the shark is, the fight keep running. Washing cars ain't no place to be a superstar, man. That's why I work and work. Baby, work it. So come on, come on, come on. When it all seems like it's wrong, sing along to Elton John, to the feeling we're just getting started. When the nights get colder and the rain that scratches on behind, just dream about that moment when your look was ever right in the eye. Then you say, I wanna dance, the music's got me going, and nothing that can stop how we move. Let's take a place and live just like we're going and rolling like we're dancing fools. We don't need to worry, 'cause when we fall we know how to land. No need to talk, just walk the walk tonight. 'Cause we don't need permission to dance. There's always something that's standing in the way, but if you don't let it phase you, you know just how to put just hit the right vibe, yeah. 'Cause there's no looking back, there ain't no one to prove we don't got this on lock, yeah. So when it's over, the time is not, so let's do it right. Yeah, we keep going and stay up until we see the sun. And we say, I wanna dance, the music's got me going, and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's break our plans and leave just like we're golden and rolling like we're dancing fools. We don't need to worry, 'cause where we from we know how to live. Don't need to talk, just walk the walk tonight. 'Cause we don't need permission to dance. We don't need permission to Let me show you that we can keep the fire alive. 'Cause it's not over till the summer. Say one more time. Say, I wanna dance, the music's got me going. Nothing that can stop how we move. Hey, let's break our plans and leave just like we're golden and crawling like we're dancing fools. We don't need to worry, 'cause when we fall we know how to land. Just walk the walk tonight. 'Cause we don't need permission to dance. We don't need permission to
Hello, we're back everyone. Now, according to the recipe, it originally says the ginger, soy, pork, and bell pepper udon. A little bit of alternative was if shrimp was given to me in the HelloFresh delivery, but that's okay because if it was originally of a pork, it would have been like about 770 calories with 45 grams of fat. So supposedly with the shrimp, it'll like shorten it down a little bit, but to be on the safer side, I've added broccoli into this. I also had the spicy mayo on the side, but I think I'll just set them on the side for the time being until I've mixed up once it's dinner time for me. So yes, if you ever wanted to try it out for yourself, I'll put in the website link in the description box down below so you can try it out for yourself from your original grocery recipe. That is if any of you have never used or subscribed to HelloFresh. So in the meantime, please enjoy your weekend, and if you have any of songs or maybe like of a recipe that you might want to like try, or like have anyone else to like make it for themselves, again, let me know in the comment section down below. In the meantime, again, have yourself a good weekend, and I will see you all next time. Bye!